Everything started when we lost the game. So right away we told them to remember the feeling of losing in the finals, and let's use that as a motivation going to the following season. Dahil naramdaman nila, we were almost there, one game short of winning the championship. Medyo elusive sa amin, but at least now, alam nila what it takes to maybe finally win it.
Hirap. Kasi siyempre, nakaisa na kami. So yun, pero wala naman kami magagawa na, wala naman kami magagawa na doon. So, babawi na lang kami this coming season.
It was easy to move on. The reason why it was easy was because in our hearts and in our minds, we knew that we gave everything we've got. So, I think that's the same approach that we have this year. Ibigay namin lahat. And hopefully, it's a different outcome this year. The biggest challenge still for us is what's ahead of us. So, anong gagawin namin sa inaharap na? Of course, we lost, we learned, pero ang challenge is this year. Anong gagawin namin? From the coach's point of view, one learning is it's really hard to win having a very shallow bench. So, and that's one thing that we are trying to address this year. Last year, we were using, I think, maximum of 8 to 9. We're hoping that we would be able to use 10 to 12 players who could really deliver for us.
In-expect ko ngayon na magkaroon kami ng good season. Sa iniinsayo naman namin, talagang may mararating yung team namin ngayon.
People always talk about Mac and Mike. Of course, we expect their leadership going to this season. But we've always believed in shared leadership. Siguro it will help unload din yung sa kanila kasi masyado rin mabigat yun. In every little way that you could help and lead the team.
Even last year, yun yung sinasabi niya sa akin is na mas maging vocal ako. So, ginagawa ko yung best ko na maging mas vocal, tsaka especially sa mga rookie, talagang ginaguide namin, kami mga veterans.
Siguro expectation ko na sa team namin na lalo na sa amin kasi marami kaming graduating. So, yung graduating na yun talagang bibigay namin lahat yung makakaya namin this season.
All teams would say to win games, get to the Final Four, and eventually maybe championship. I'd like to say the same thing, but I've been like that the last 2 years. But I think this year we'll start embracing it, the challenge of getting to the finals and winning it all the way. So it's the biggest challenge, but we'll do our best. We should be 100% ready by Sunday.
Yung team namin ngayon is mas motivated and dedicated, especially nung pagkatalo namin. So marami kaming natutunan from there. So mas deep yung bench namin, saka talagang nagtutulungan. Mas kami ngayon, mas one page.
I think it's a desire to really win it this year. Hopefully that's an edge na would really work for us. I haven't seen this team this together the past 2 years. So I think maganda yung relationship na na-build namin over the years, and I think that should be something na makakatulong sa amin. We always wanted to be identified as a team who is really resilient, na kahit anong sitwasyon sa game, laban lang ng laban. And I think that's one characteristic of the Tamaraw. Sinasabi lang sa amin na ang Tamaraw daw tahimik, pero pag ginulo mo, pinubok mo, talagang lalaban daw yan. And I think yun yung gusto namin ma-identify kami. Kumbaga, silent type, tahimik, hindi mayabang. Okay? Pero pag pinubok, laban lang ng laban.